In this video, you will learn how to get a business license in Arizona, decide on your business structure, choose whether you want your business to be a sole trader, LLC, partnership or corporation, register your business name, fill in your business name with the Arizona Corporations Commission if required by your chosen structure, apply for your EIN number, obtain your employee identification number from the IRS for tax purposes or even when you're hiring employees, check local licensing requirements. Arizona does not issue a statewide general business license. You must apply through the city or county where your business will operate in. Apply for the Transaction Privilege Tax or TPT license if you're selling goods or taxable services. Register for the TPT license through the Arizona Department of Revenue. Fill in the application and pay your fee. File the necessary local license or tax permit application. Pay the required fees and wait for approval. Now you know how to get the business license in Arizona. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.